Hi guys, welcome back to Fs19 and also back to the Yukon River Valley map, and this is going to be part 4. And we were here trying to get this sawmill to work, and I have done it. I have filled up the sawmill here with more logs. We are at 100% logs here, which is 800,000. Now, the input is logs, wood chips, straw or coal. The output here is barrel, split wood, longwood and wood chips. Now the barrel, the split wood and the longwood, they come out here on these guys here, on these platforms I should say, and the wood chips here, they are gonna come out over here. Here is where the wood chips are gonna go. And you can drive underneath this pipe with a trailer to empty out the wood chips here and sell them off. Or you can use the wood chips here and throw them in here to get your sawmill going or to keep your sawmill running. But we don't have any wood chips at the moment, so we are gonna stick with coal. So the coal, we are gonna have to switch over here to the coal mine. Yeah, we need to save this. First we have the coal, that is the gold field. We have a coal mine here. So I think we have to buy the coal mine to be able to get the coal out of that mine. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna drive from down here all the way up here to Peasant Pond back to our sawmill. So we have to try and drive from down here from the coal mine all the way up here to our sawmill. So let's see if we can buy that area, the coal mine. Yes, we can. That coal mine is worth 890,640 euro. So we are gonna not that one. That is the dirt ridge. We need to buy the coal mine here. Coal mine costs 1,119,168 euro. That is the coal mine. So let's buy it. So we are going to be able to get the coal out of there. And bought. Alright, so we are gonna go back to map overview. We're gonna jump down to the coal mine here. And we are gonna fast forward until the next day. And we are here, the next day guys. We have fast forwarded the game. Now the coal mine here, that belongs to us. So we need a truck. We're gonna get a coal mining truck here. Where is that truck? Should be under here. No, those are excavators, and that is the leaper, the 264 truck here, the coal mining truck. So we're gonna grab this truck right here because that can do coal. That can also do all the fruits that are listed below here. So we're gonna go into configuration here. We're gonna buy this truck. It's the leaper T264. Now this truck here has a lot of color options here. We're gonna see what that color does. Okay, that gives us the color for the dumper and the frame, I guess. But we're gonna stick with the leaper white. Then we have here the rim color. We have here the black ones. We're gonna stick with the black color here, and then we have the design color, which are the guardrails all along here. So we have orange here, we have red, we have here the yellow, blue. We are gonna stick with red here. Let's buy that one, but not just yet, because we have here a shop. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this here. We're gonna go in here. That is called the delivery script. The shop delivery script. It delivers your trucks or tractors onto that spot that has just blinked with the orange circle on it. So we're gonna go into configuration here. We're gonna buy the truck. And as you guys can see, here is our mining truck. Alright, and we need... I don't think we can get in there with an excavator. I have here a giant excavator. It's this guy here, the Leaper 9800. It's hard to see here because it's so big and huge. That is an excavator. Now you can buy these excavators in real life as well. Those excavators are used mainly for mining. And I also have the giant Leaper bulldozer. Whoa, I don't know why it's jumping up in the shop here like that, but that is the giant Leaper bulldozer, the PR776. Alright. We are gonna go into wheel loaders. Or where was it? Might be in Brent's. Where was it? Was it the Volvo? No. Volvo. Yeah. We're gonna buy this Volvo, and now this bucket can do 18,000 liters of all the fruits that are listed along here. I'm not going to name them all because that takes too long. We're going to buy this wheel loader here from Volvo. It's the L350H, and we're going to buy the bucket that goes along with it. But first of all, we're going to jump into this truck here, and we're going to park it out of the way. So we're going to jump in here, put the drive control into it, and we can open the doors as well. Look at that, guys. We can open up the door and close it. That is brilliant. Let's have a look inside here. We have a fire extinguisher. And that is about it. The steering wheel here, the control panels, and we don't have any air conditioning, so yeah, that is a mining truck, which are being used in coal mining and in gold mining as well. Alright, let's drive this truck right out of the way here. Alright, now we need the wheel loader. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press a couple of buttons here, and we're gonna do this, this and this. Do that. Press the P button, go into Volvo here. Now we don't have any configurations for this wheel loader here. We're gonna buy it. Alright. Jump out of our shop here, and then we are gonna buy that shovel as well. So same buttons here. press the button here that is called the shop delivery. So let's get this bucket here. And hook up our wheel loader to that bucket. Yeah, that is working also. Put in our drive control. A giant Volvo wheel loader for mining and even on construction sites. Yeah, we can hook that up like that. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna back up that truck there. We're gonna start loading this mining truck from Leaper. Alright. So let's see if we can get any coal out of that mine. The shovel is supposed to take coal and that truck there as well. So we're gonna see if we can get the coal out of this coal mine. Yeah, that we can, that works. We have 18,000 liters of coal in a shovel, and that is what the coal looks like, guys. It's it has a black texture to it. You can change the textures and different fruit types as well. You can change them to blue, red, or yellow, or different colors here. This one has a black texture, so texturing is what this game is all about. Texturing is used to make different types of fruit types, so even texturing here on the vehicles and on the map you can texture the buildings and what have you. So let's dump this coal into this truck here. See how that will work. Gonna put the shovel down. Oh yeah, that works brilliant. Look at that, guys. We have coal in our mining truck. Awesome. Brilliant. Let's go to the shop here. I wanna find out how many liters. Not that one. I wanna find out how much this can take. This can take 100,000 liters of coal. Yeah. 100,000 liters. That is a lot of coal, guys. So we're gonna be loading this truck on a couple of episodes here, I think. So let's have a quick look on the inside here. We have our steering wheel, we have here our joysticks. We don't have any extra features, we don't have any air conditioning in here. So yeah, that is just a regular loader without any extras. Alright, let's get some more coal. And we are mining coal, guys, for sawmill. Alright. So we are coming into the 15th minute. I'm gonna say goodbye here. And I will be doing a couple more episodes here shortly, so stay tuned for that, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this video here. like I said, we are mining coal to get our sawmill started. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day/night. We'll see you in the next one, which is gonna be part 5. Bye bye.